In this video, I'll show you how to activate Cash App card. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, first you need to do is simply tap the Cash Card tab on your Cash App right here, your home screen. Tap Activate Cash Card. And tap OK when your Cash App asks permission to use your camera right here. Okay? And then, basically, you need to scan the QR code. Alright? That's the first thing you're gonna do. Now, if in any case you no longer have the QR code with you, we have a separate video on how you can activate your Cash App card without the QR code. But for those who are new in our channel, what you need to do is simply go here, tap the Cash Card tab right here, right? And then tap the green Activate button, tap Activate without QR code, and enter CVV located at the back of your physical card. And of course, you need to follow the on-screen instructions, all right? Now, if by any chance you're still having problems activating your Cash App card with or without your QR code, all you're gonna do is simply you need to contact the customer support, the Cash App support. By doing so, you need to tap the profile icon here, go down to the very bottom where it says support. You can go to something else, or you can simply connect to a live agent via chat. And they'll be more than glad to assist you on how to activate your Cash App card if you are having problems. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.